Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 9696, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 9696, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 9696 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 9696 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 9696 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 9696? Angel number 9696 symbolizes the end of a cycle and the beginning of a more spiritually fulfilling phase in your life. It blends the energies of 9, representing conclusions and service to others, and 6, which focuses on home, harmony, and responsibility. Seeing 9696 indicates that you are being guided to release outdated patterns and embrace a path aligned with your soul's higher mission. The number calls for balance, healing, and trust in divine timing, especially when faced with personal or material challenges. It's a cosmic reminder to stay focused on love, compassion, and spiritual growth. What's the symbolism of angel number 9696? Symbolically, angel number 9696 represents transformation, spiritual enlightenment, and nurturing energy. The repeated 9s signify endings that bring growth, while the SIXs highlight care, family, and inner stability. Together, they form a powerful message of shedding the old to make room for the new, especially in matters of the heart and home. It encourages you to look inward, heal emotional wounds, and focus on service to others. The number also suggests divine support as you align your outer world with your spiritual path. Ultimately, 9696 symbolizes the journey toward peace, integrity, and fulfillment in all areas of life. What is the angel number 9696 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 9696 serves as a message from the divine to trust your inner wisdom and align your life with higher truth. It encourages you to let go of material concerns and focus on soul growth, compassion, and humanitarian service. The number reminds you that every ending brings a sacred new beginning, and your angels are guiding you toward your spiritual purpose. Releasing fear and embracing love are key themes. It also calls for selfless acts, spiritual learning, and inner peace, pushing you to strengthen your connection with the divine and evolve as a spiritual being. What does the angel number 9696 mean for love? In love, angel number 9696 speaks of emotional growth, healing, and unconditional love. It suggests letting go of toxic dynamics or past heartbreaks to make space for a more balanced, supportive relationship. If you're in a relationship, 9696 encourages open communication, compassion, and deep emotional bonding. For singles, it could mean a significant new relationship is near, one rooted in spiritual compatibility and shared values. This number also urges you to love yourself fully, as inner healing is crucial for attracting and maintaining meaningful connections. Love, under 9690 SIXs guidance, becomes more about soul alignment than surface-level attraction. What does angel number 9696 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 9696 signals an important spiritual phase, often one involving separation, healing, or reunion. It emphasizes the need for emotional and karmic release to move toward true harmony with your twin. This number asks both parties to focus on inner growth, forgiveness, and divine timing. You may be guided to let go temporarily so that healing and transformation can occur on both sides. If you're already united, 9696 encourages deepening your connection through mutual support and spiritual purpose. Ultimately, it highlights that the twin flame journey is about evolution, not just romantic union. What does angel number 96? It's a reminder that manifestation is not just about physical desires, but about aligning with divine will. Clarity, gratitude, and emotional balance are key to bringing your visions into reality. The number also signals that past efforts are about to yield fruit, so stay hopeful and focused. How does angel number 9696 affect finances? Angel number 9696 urges a balanced and conscious approach to money. It suggests financial transitions may be occurring, but they're paving the way for long-term security and spiritual growth. This number advises you to release fear or guilt around finances, especially if past habits have created imbalance. Giving and receiving in harmony is essential. You may be called to use your financial resources for service or helping others. Trust that as you align with your soul's mission, the universe will provide what you need. It's also a good time to reassess spending, simplify, and focus on sustainable abundance. What does angel number 9696 mean for former relationships? Angel number 9696 often appears when it's time to reflect on past relationships and let go of lingering emotional baggage. It encourages you to heal, forgive, and release any blame or regret still attached to former partners. These experiences were lessons in self-love, boundaries, and growth. The number supports closure and moving forward with wisdom and compassion. In some cases, it may even signal a peaceful reconnection or the need for final healing conversations. Ultimately, 9696 teaches that your past does not define your future and that emotional freedom is necessary for your next loving chapter. How does angel number 9696 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 9696 signals a time to align your career with your values and spiritual mission. It might indicate the end of a job or role that no longer serves you, making way for a more fulfilling path. You are being guided to use your skills in service to others or to pursue a purpose-driven career. The number also encourages teamwork, compassion, and ethical leadership. If you've been feeling stuck, this is your sign to seek opportunities that inspire growth. Trust that changes are divinely timed and that your work should feed your soul, too. What are the strengths of angel number 9696? The strengths of angel number 9696 lie in its spiritual depth, compassion, and healing energy. It fosters resilience, emotional intelligence, and the ability to close chapters gracefully. People aligned with this number tend to be nurturing, intuitive, and service-oriented. 9696 supports strong family bonds, acts of generosity, and an ability to guide others through transformation. It also brings a powerful ability to see the bigger picture and remain calm during transitions. With its blend of spiritual and practical wisdom, this number empowers you to manifest abundance, nurture meaningful relationships, and live with purpose and integrity. What are the weaknesses of angel number 9696? The weaknesses of angel number 9696 can arise when its energy is out of balance. Overnurturing others at the expense of your own well-being, clinging to the past, or resisting necessary endings are common challenges. This number may also point to emotional codependency or difficulty setting healthy boundaries. Financially, it can warn against neglecting practical needs in favor of overly idealistic or self-sacrificing behaviors. Spiritually, one might become stuck in old wounds or fear of change. To counter these tendencies, 9696 asks for self-care, discernment, and trusting that releasing what no longer serves opens the path to greater fulfillment. Angel number 9696 is a powerful message from the universe, symbolizing spiritual transformation, emotional healing, and the completion of life cycles. Composed of the digits 9 and 6 repeated twice, it carries amplified energies. The number 9 represents endings, wisdom, and humanitarianism, while the number 6 symbolizes home, love, responsibility, and balance. Together, they guide you to release outdated patterns and align your life with higher spiritual values. When you see 9696 repeatedly, it is a sign to let go of fear. Professionally, 9696 may indicate that it's time to seek work that aligns with your core values. It calls you to pursue a career that serves others and feeds your soul. Financially, the number encourages balance between material needs and spiritual fulfillment. It suggests trusting in divine timing while also being responsible with resources. Manifestation under this number thrives when rooted in gratitude, clear intentions, and service to others. The strengths of angel number 9696 include compassion, resilience, intuitive wisdom, and a strong sense of purpose. However, its weaknesses may show up as emotional overdependence, reluctance to let go, or sacrificing personal needs for others. Ultimately, angel number 9696 is a reminder to trust the universe's plan. As you close old chapters and step into new ones, you are divinely supported. Stay open to spiritual growth, love deeply, live with integrity, and align your life with your soul's true calling.